An additional angle of the home explosion is captured on body-worn camera of officers positioned at the back of the home. After confirming the safety of all first responders on scene, officers check on neighbors and evacuate them from their homes.
Police department! Police department! Police department! Police department! Come on out! I need you to get evacuated and move down the street, okay?
Fire investigators determined the explosion originated in the basement of the home, was intentionally caused by the suspect, and involved gasoline and a competent ignition source. The munitions used by police during this incident are verified not to be a competent ignition source for this event. The Arlington County Police and Fire Departments responded to this developing emergency incident with the safety and well-being of the Arlington community as our guiding priority. The collaborative on-scene response by officers assigned to the Patrol Section, Special Weapons and Tactics Team, and Crisis Negotiators Unit demonstrates their professionalism and commitment to public safety despite the ongoing threat to themselves.